Today, I'm going to show you how to use Paperclip with AI agents, including to rank your website. And this can help you rank inside AI search engines. It can help you build out teams. It can help you automate your SEO. It can help you rank inside ChatGPT. You can see it working in real time right here. And this is using a free open source project called Along with Hermes Agents. So let me talk you through exactly how it works and how this AI SEO Mission Control works, plus the whole system. And this is something that I call the Goldie ranking swarm, which is basically how you can rank #1 on Google, AI search engines, ChatGPT, and everywhere else. And this is based on how we've got results like this, as you can see, and here as well, right? So you can see this website and its trajectory is pretty insane. It's grown from 1 click a day all the way up to a peak of 206 clicks per day, and the trajectory of this website is pretty awesome too. So let me break down exactly how it works and how we set up the system. Basically, what we've got here is a system inside Paperclip on our agent OS where we've plugged in Paperclip, like you can see, and then we can go off and build stuff. So for example, here you can see this full operating system where we've got our AI agents doing keyword research for us. We've got a whole organization chart of AI agents working together. We have, for example, multiple different teams depending on the project we're working on. So you could have, for example, Goldie Agency, Goldie Labs. You could have all these different AI agents working together, building out cool stuff, which is pretty insane when you think about it. So let me break down exactly how this works step by step and how we're using it, plus what we've built. So basically what we did is we built a team of 7 AI agents that run the entire process. So one can find keywords, one can write the content, one can optimize it, one can build backlinks, one can publish it, one can get it cited inside ChatGPT and Perplexity, and one actually tracks the analytics. You don't need to touch any of this, right? It's just working with Paperclip and your AI agents together. And so if you look at the system before, like I was guessing the keywords and hoping they rank, you'd write like one painful article a week by hand. You'd wait months to rank as well. Meanwhile, if people are going to ChatGPT instead of Google, and if you're invisible there, then you miss out on that as well. Okay? And then what I've actually done is set up a swarm of AI agents to run this stuff. So 7 agents can run the whole pipeline. They can find the keywords, write, optimize, link, and publish. Like you can see right here, we can rank on Google and get cited inside Google AI mode, Perplexity, and the backlinks are getting built in the background too, which is pretty cool. So how does this work? Basically, the first thing that we have is the Scout. So this can find research keywords for us. So for example, if we look at our team over here and the AI agents that we're building out, we've got the keyword engine and we have these different agents working together inside a nice organization chart. So we can have one keyword that does the research, one that actually writes the content. We can have one agent that optimizes, links it all together. We can have one that gets us cited. And so the old way is like guessing the keywords. The new way is like you can find quickly keywords that you actually rank for. The old way is like writing one painful article per week. The new way is like you can get your AI agents to write this for you. We also have other systems like this. So for example, we have a setup here where you can plug in your keyword, your case study, and then it can deploy to your websites like you can see. We also have Hermes agent that can actually send emails and do link-driven outreach. So as an example of this, we said to Hermes here, go off. We want backlinks to this page, reach out to 5 relevant websites per day, send them an email, and you can see that's actually doing the link building outreach on a schedule like, right, which is pretty powerful stuff. So this is basically the whole pipeline. And you can see an example here. So this is a real thing running together as AI agents. We can see them and what they're working on in real time. Enough people say SEO, it doesn't work anymore because AI search is taken over. I think it's actually the opposite now. SEO is bigger than ever because you can rank on Google and AI search engines, which means you get 2 different search engines to rank on with actual decent traffic. Whereas before it's just like Bing and Google if you went back a few years. And so you can find keywords, you can optimize your content with this. You can have a team of agents that, for example, just focus on SEO or, for example, even like getting the website to optimize as well. And that's basically it. That's how the whole swarm works together. Now, you can also set up new goals here. So what you can do inside Paperclip is you can set up a new goal and you can say, okay, create a website that ranks #1 inside ChatGPT. And then inside here, if you want to assign tasks to your agents, you just set up the task, the description, and it goes off and implements it. If you want to organize your team of AI agents that work together, you can see like here, you can add new agents and plug them in together. And your agents can actually hire and bring in more AI agents working together too. And This is an interesting question. So Omid says, why use Paperclip when you can have multiple profiles using the Hermes desktop app? So one of the biggest reasons for this is if you're using the Hermes desktop app and you have multiple profiles working together, it doesn't really fit together in the same way. So you see how we've got this agent team with an organization chart, right? And everything's linked together. That's what we want. If you go into Hermes here directly using the desktop app, let me show you what it actually looks like. And so it's really just like a chat where you can speak to your agents. You can speak to multiple different profiles, right? And you've got your profiles at the bottom here, so you can switch between them. And for example, I can speak to John and then I can speak to this one and whatever, right? But you can't coordinate your agent teams in the same way. And you can't visualize it in the same way, right? There's no, for example, there's no flow. We can't see what we've built previously. So if we pull up Hermes on the right-hand side, Hermes desktop, and then we pull up, for example, the Paperclip here, where's your team of agents, right? It's not there. You can't visualize it in the same way, right? Where is the setup for giving new tasks to your team? You can't see it, right? Okay, how can you see what you've previously created in a nice list organized by AI agents and profiles? You can't. Okay. Then how can you get Claude, OpenClaw, Hermes all working together in one place? You can do that with Paperclip, but you can't do that with Hermes. And so you see the big differences here. Like Hermes is cool inside the desktop app. Is it that good for orchestrating AI agents and getting them working together? No. So that's a big difference between all this. Now, other people are going to say AI can't rank, but actually, if you look at it, generic AI content can't rank, but optimized content with new unique information actually helps a lot. Let me show an example here. So if we, for example, type in this keyword, you can see us ranking inside the AI search engine here. If we type in, for example, here as well, you can see that we're ranking not just inside this section, right? But we're also ranking on the right-hand side too. Now, if we go into AI mode, you can see if we ask this question, best AI school community, you can see it says the AI Profit Boardroom by Julie and Goldie is considered the best AI community on school. And you see an example here, actually recommends us. And it has our content over here, right? And so if you're wondering, does AI content actually work? Absolutely it does. But you might think, well, you need a big team and lots of resources to do this. But actually your team is the AI agents working together. So you got like multiple different AI agents working together, doing the work of a whole department. So you don't need everything. So just to recap here, everything in one place, right? You stop guessing the keyword because your AI agents can do the keyword research. You stop writing by hand because your agents can handle that. You stop chasing backlinks because Hermes agent can be connected to an email inbox and then do the outreach for you. You stop publishing manually because you can deploy content directly to your website. Right? And that's basically how it works step by step. So if you want to learn more about this stuff, by the way, we have a free SEO course, link in the comments description. And it basically has like over 2 lessons on how to do SEO. So you can see all this cool stuff right here on lots of different AI SEO techniques, how to rank your website, etc. If you want a free SEO strategy session one-to-one, you can get that as well. And then also you might be wondering, okay, like how to get the agent operating system, how to get this full system plugged in, like you can see with Paperclip, and you got like a sort of idea foundry for plugging ideas in and getting them created. You've got a goal section, SEO section, all your agents plugged in. You can get that inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Link in the comments description, or go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com, and you can basically learn how to build out your own team. And we also have this operating system with Obsidian, with Paperclip, with all my best systems, AI agents plugged in as well. And you get everything inside one section. So link in the comments description. Inside the classroom, you can just go to the Agent OS section. If you want to get this, you can grab the zip file, you can grab the tutorial on how to use it. You can ask questions inside the community, get my help and support. You can also jump into the calendar, and we have 4 weekly coaching calls. And this is all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. So thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it as always. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.